How professional traders think. Richard Dennis lessons that transform your trading mindset. Have you ever noticed how professional traders stay calm while others panic? It's not luck or magic indicators, it's mindset. Today, you'll learn how professional traders think by following the lessons of Richard Dennis, the man who turned $1,600 into $200 million. Whether you trade stocks, crypto, or Forex, these principles will help you stop reacting emotionally and start trading like a professional. Let's break down the 6 mindset principles that define how professionals think and how you can apply them today. Lesson 1. Trading is teachable. Richard Dennis challenged Wall Street's biggest myth, that great traders are born, not made. He believed anyone could learn to trade with the right rules, risk discipline, and emotional control. In 1983, he launched the turtle trading experiment, taking everyday people, a pianist, a security guard, a software engineer, and training them to follow a clear, rule-based system. Within 4 years, these students reportedly made over $100 million in profits. The lesson? Trading is a skill. Just like playing an instrument, it can be taught, practiced, and mastered. Professional traders don't rely on talent. They rely on structure. They follow a tested process, not their emotions. If you want to think like a pro, start by adopting the same belief. Trading success is not reserved for the gifted. It's earned through discipline and consistent practice. Lesson 2. Discipline over emotion. Every trader has 2 voices, logic and emotion. Professionals let logic lead. Richard Dennis taught his students that the market is not your enemy. Your emotions are. Fear, greed, and hope are the forces that destroy discipline and break rules. That's why Dennis drilled one principle into every turtle. Stick to your system no matter what you feel. When the trend is strong, don't panic out early. When your stop is hit, don't hesitate to exit. Discipline means following your plan in both comfort and chaos. Professional traders aren't emotionless robots. They're emotionally trained humans. They acknowledge fear but don't let it decide for them. They control greed by trusting their process. The next time you feel pressure to act on impulse, pause and ask yourself, am I acting like a professional trader or like an emotional one? Lesson 3. Follow trends, not opinions. Most amateurs try to predict the market. Pros simply align with it. Richard Dennis built his fortune using trend following, buying what's rising and selling what's falling. He didn't argue with the market or fight momentum, he rode it. This is how professional traders think. They respect price action as truth. When price breaks a key level with strong volume, that's information, not emotion. Following trends sounds simple, but it is psychologically hard. Beginners fear buying high or shorting low, but Dennis understood that staying with momentum until it clearly ends is what builds real profits. Professionals don't need to call tops or bottoms. They only need to catch the middle of the move. So the next time you trade, forget trying to outsmart the market. Focus on riding the current, not fighting it. Lesson 4. Cut losses fast and let winners run. Here's how professional traders protect their capital. They treat losses as business expenses. Richard Dennis taught that a small loss is harmless. A big loss is fatal. That's why every trade in his system had a strict stop loss. No exceptions. When you cut losses quickly, you free your mind to catch the next opportunity. And when you let winners run, you allow your edge to work for you. Most amateurs do the opposite. They cut profits too soon and cling to losers. Professional traders do the reverse because they understand risk management is the foundation of longevity. Dennis used position sizing rules and risk 1 to 2% per trade, so even a losing streak couldn't destroy an account. If you can accept small losses without emotional pain, you're thinking like a professional trader. Lesson 5. Consistency over perfection. Professional traders don't aim to win every trade. They aim to follow their process flawlessly. Richard Dennis knew that consistency beats brilliance. He taught his students to execute their system day after day, win or lose. The goal wasn't to feel smart, it was to stay consistent. This is how pro traders think. They measure success by execution, not by the last result. They accept that losses are part of probability, and patience is the real edge. If you review your trades, adjust your system, and keep showing up with discipline, your results will compound. Consistency creates confidence, and confidence creates clarity. That's the path from beginner to professional. Lesson 6: Continuous Learning and Adaptability. Markets evolve. Professional traders evolve with them. Even after his massive success, Richard Dennis kept learning, testing, and adapting. He understood that yesterday's edge can fade tomorrow. That's why pro traders study their performance, refine their systems, and stay humble. They know the moment you think you've figured it out, the market will prove you wrong. Continuous learning keeps your mindset sharp and your edge alive. The pro trader's journey never ends, it just gets smarter. And that's how professional traders think. They follow rules, not impulses. They respect risk, not luck. They value discipline, consistency, and continuous learning. If you apply these Richard Dennis principles, believing trading is teachable, following trends, cutting losses, and staying consistent, you'll begin to see the market like a professional. Remember, you don't need to be born a trader. You need to train your mind to think like one. If you found value in this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for weekly lessons on trading psychology, chart patterns, and smart money strategy. Comment below, which Richard Dennis lesson hit you the hardest? Until next time, trade calmly, trade consistently, and trade with purpose.